This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melani Grindley. Lot is located in an upscale gated community near Carter's Lake. Enjoy the peace and quiet and abundant wildlife within the community. This lot is a corner lot and is flat on top and slopes down toward a private lake. Short drive to boat ramp at Carter's Lake where there are walking trails and good mountain biking trails. Don't miss out, come find your perfect lot before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Melani Grindley at 706-276-1254.